guys, Dakota with Divine Stoneworks here. The spring housing market is rapidly approaching and it's definitely a seller's market. Updating your kitchen can get some serious return on your investment, and there are a few DIY things that you can do yourself to save on the cost. For the most dramatic change, painting those cabinets from the 80s can really brighten up the whole kitchen. Your local hardware store or favorite online shopping site has some great cabinet painting kits that are super easy to use and that require little to no sanding or priming. Replacing the cabinet hardware with something more modern can instantly freshen up the whole space, but if you have a lot of doors and drawers, the cost of handles and knobs can be astronomical. Luckily, sites like 99centknobs.com, where they're all 99 cents each, you can get a great look without breaking the bank. Now that you've updated the cabinets and hardware, you realize it's time to add a nice tile backsplash, which can be very messy. However, doing your own peel and stick backsplash couldn't be simpler. All you do is peel and stick. Updating your kitchen has never been easier, but one place not to cheap out on is the countertop, which can be the focal point of the whole kitchen. We can find a stone that is in style, but that still fits within your budget. That's all for today, but be sure to subscribe and follow for more great tips and recommendations. We'll see you next time.